Today our topic is React component styling. Let's see how can we style our components. In React, we can style our component in different ways. This is our component called React styling. Sorry, component name is index, but our function is React styling. We just return a simple HTML. Let's see it. Let's style it. We can style inline like style. We have to pass an object. Let's say font weight bold. This is our regular style name. Like if we have done it with a class font we have done it this way, but in here we have to do it in camel case. If it's toward property, and the value should be call it like this way. Let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. If we see it in the console, it's bold. We can move it at the top like const style equal we can say font weight bold, background color red, and we can use it here. Let's see. Something wrong. Okay, here it is. So this is the two way of styling, and we can use global CSS. This is our app.jsx, the entry point of our React Next project. If we see the global, we can add the CSS here like test, then bold, let's see we can use it here or not. Style, we have to use this way like class name test. Yeah, it's working. And we can do another way by using module CSS. Let's create a file called index.css. Let's cut it from here. Let's use the module file, import style from module, and we have to do it like previous way, style dot test. Let's see. Okay, I think we don't need to pass the class name. It's not working. Let's see why not. Mhm. We have to use it by using class name of React. Say style dot test. It's working. The benefit of the module-based CSS is there is no naming conflict of the class. Let's say another module file called, and we can take the same class name. Let's copy it. Let's say style 2 and import it here. Okay, let's give a different CSS. Background color blue. You see, our CSS class name is same, but it added extra random values at the end of the CSS class. First one is the file name of the module, then class name, then a random value. That's why there is no naming conflict in the CSS. So this is the different way of styling our React component.